show you quickly how to get started with Flipgrid. So we're in my backpack now, and you're going to find the Flipgrid icon and open up Flipgrid. It's a single sign-on for us, so it'll take you straight to this page. From this page, you can access the groups you've created or the topics you've created. You can also discover other topics that other educators have created and had published, or you can go straight into Flipgrid Shorts. We'll cover that later. So the first thing you need to do is add a group or add a topic. I recommend adding a group first because it makes adding a topic easier. To add a group, click the plus group button. It'll give you a stock theme. You can click there to edit your theme with whatever you want, and then give your group a name. Give it something that you'll remember, and it'll help it stand apart from your other classes. So if you teach 4 core classes, make one, core 2, core 3, core 4. So I'm going to make this core 1 sample. Then to add members to your classroom, you can import your rosters from Google Classroom. If you're not logged in already, it'll ask you to log in and allow Flipgrid permission. Go ahead and do that. Log in with your apsk12.org account, and then select a class from your Google Classroom that you would like to add the students for that class. Then click Create Group. Once your group is created, this will pop up on your screen. The easiest way to let your students know that you've shared a group with them is to share it directly to Google Classroom. This will pop up, and you can choose to share it with your class as an announcement, material, or an assignment. Now, once you've created a group, it'll automatically give you the Hello, I Am topic. To create a new topic, you click the plus topic sign, give your topic a title, and give it a description. Tell your students what you want them to do. Cool thing is you can add media to your topic or attachments. Set the recording time maximum for them. You can go anywhere from 15 seconds up to 10 minutes. You can also make it your default setting. The next tab is settings. This will let you moderate videos and comments, which with middle school, I kind of recommend. When you turn that on, it'll send you all responses and comments until you approve them. They'll stay hidden. You can also allow them to post different types of responses, so they can post an attachment with their response. They can download and share others' responses. It'll display the view count and allow likes on videos. You can change the different camera features that are allowed. And if you wanted to share with your parents or administration or anybody else, you can allow a guest password for them to easily access the topic and watch the videos. I like to do this to give access to my parents with a generic password that never changes so that they can watch the videos their students have created. You can make these your default settings by clicking here. And then once you're done with all your settings, click Save to Group. Once your topic is ready, you'll see this. Now, once you've created a topic for your students, I recommend getting it to them by sharing to Google Classroom again. This screen will pop up. Choose the class you want to share it to. Choose how you want to share it. You can create an assignment, ask a question, make it an announcement, or create material. If it's something you're going to grade, I would suggest create an assignment. Click Go. Then give your assignment a title. You can assign it to all students or specific students. You can assign points, a due date, and place it under a specific topic. From here, if your students are in the group, when they click on the Flipgrid link, it'll take them directly into that group. So that's a pretty cool feature. When you're done with everything, you can click Assign, and it will post to your Google Classroom as an assignment or material, whatever you chose. Let's look at some other features that the students will see when they go into the topic. When they go into the topic, the really cool thing is Immersive Reader is built in. So if you've given a description and you need students to be able to listen to it that struggle with reading, they can use Immersive Reader to listen to the directions for the topic. You can also share the topic from here, or if you click the 3 dots, you can edit it, hide it, Duplicate it, which is helpful if you have multiple classes doing the same thing. So you can duplicate the topic for every class you have, and you don't have to redo the settings or redo the description or the title. It'll just duplicate everything you've saved for the next class. You can export your data. You can record a response. Or if you really like your topic and think other educators might benefit from it, you can submit it to Flipgrid Discovery, and they'll feature it on their Discovery tab. Let's practice recording a video. When you go to record a response, hi there, you'll see your face on the screen, and you'll see that I've given this video a total of 5 minutes to record. Now, here's this really cool stuff, all of your options and features. Your options are down here. You can upload a clip you've made somewhere else. You can do mic only if you don't want your face to show. You can mirror your video. You can mute yourself. You can record your screen or some other settings. The kids love these two buttons: effects, filters, text, pen, whiteboard, stickers, GIFs, photos, frames, and more. And the backdrops are where it's at. So you can add a variety of backdrops to really spice up your Flipgrid. Whoa, cool, right? So pick a backdrop, add some effects, and get recording. Scan the QR code on the paper near the Flipgrid tent and record your own Flipgrid. Give it a try, see how much fun it is, and then use it in your classroom. Have fun!